Hey guys, it's me again. I just built a Lego gun. I don't know what to call it yet, but yeah, I'll show you it. It's right here. Yeah, it's right here, and it is really special to me. I like it. I really like it. Show you it. And down here, see it right? Yeah, there it is. Get a good picture. And I got the MMS started up. I got stock built in. Yeah, let me show you that pretty nicely. Yeah, it's a red dot sight at the end, as you can see. Red. Yeah, 300 to 500 Lego bricks. Sorry. Wow. And it took me a while to build it. Three to 4 days. Reload that, and then so you guys can comment, dislike, and subscribe. If you guys like Legos, you definitely want to subscribe. Comment to my next if you want me to build another Lego gun, and I might build it. I might have to destroy this. And if you guys like this video, see you later. Bye.